Welcome to Masters at Wagtail. So I got a call for an estimate, and she says she found my info on Google. And she says she lives in a trailer area. So here we are. There's a whole bunch of trailers in here. This is all easy work. And I'm thinking I could clean up in here. Because it wouldn't take me long at all to do these houses. And when you're doing stuff like this, you really don't focus on the money part. You want to focus on volume. And most people, once they hear of the price, they could actually afford to have their windows done because each unit don't have a whole lot, which means you won't be spending a whole lot of time. And it's mostly no ladder work, unless you feel comfortable using a step ladder. But I wouldn't need to because I can use a pole. Hi. All right. So I'm just gonna walk. I'm gonna walk around, take a look at the windows. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 on this side. Doesn't look like they have storms, but the screens, if you come take a look here, they're badly oxidized. See that? It's actually looks like it's been eaten away in some parts. I'm afraid if I scrub this, yeah, you see, the holes are stressed out. I'm afraid if I scrub too hard, I have to tread lightly with that. Oh, look, they have a swimming pool. A swimming pool for, I don't know what kind of swimming pool that is. I know most people wouldn't do a small house like this, but it's money nonetheless. So we have 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You see, there's all types of nastiness around there. All types of nastiness. And those tracks are full of gunk and nastiness. Let's keep going around the house. To upsell on some soft washing on some of these units. 14. Surprising the framework ain't nasty on this one. 16, 18. 18 windows. Alright, so there's 18 windows. What I'm going to do is I'm going to encourage her to get her friends involved. Most likely they'll want to take me up on that savings. And when I'm here, I'm just going to try and have some flyers made up. And that's such short notice. She wants it done on Wednesday, which is 2 days from now. So I'll just have to go to the quickest place to get those flyers printed up. And I'm gonna hit every unit in here. Why not? I might be able to get some work out of here for sure. Matter of fact, ain't no might about it. I will. You know why? It's a numbers game. So I got to figure out, most units will probably have around the same amount of windows, so I got to work up a price. So let's do that real quick. But most people will be able to afford to get their windows done in here, because I'm sure a lot of them haven't gotten their windows done in a while. I'm certain of that, unless they do it themselves. Alright, now I ended up charging $108 for the windows, $20 for the screens, and $20 for ledges, because they're nasty and the cobwebs. That boiled down to $2 a ledge and $2 a screen. They have 10 screens and 10 ledges, but about 18 windows. And I didn't even count the door, so I'm just gonna throw that in. So it's gonna be $148 total. Oh, hello, Laney.
How are you today?
All right, here you go.
Okay.
And there's my card.
Glasses.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Sure. Do what now?
Doing this. I got the cleaner right there. I got $22 in cash.
To what do you want? What do you want to do with
Inside
it?
and outside, clean.
Oh, clean it.
Yeah.
Just clean it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The door. What do we have here? I'm gonna go with you. Don't matter.
What I'm gonna do is, huh?
I'm going with you.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean.
Wedges?
Yeah, I see them. I saw them from the outside. They need a good scrubbing, which was what I expected. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get all these cobwebs down around the frames as well.
I got news for you. I'm going to tell you right now, Marcus. I was looking at $175, so that's what I'm paying you.
Yeah,
that's what I figured.
Well, I originally was going to put 175,
well,
but
that's what
usually give a little discount for first time
I
customer.
don't take advantage of anybody.
Yeah,
I'm telling you what I figured, and if it came over 175, I wouldn't have done it.
Right.
I was thinking 175, so that's what I'm paying you.
Oh, well, thank you.
Okay.
I'm going to give you another option to save some more money. If you have friends in the neighborhood that you know of that you could refer. Oh,
to refer?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I could put your card up in the clubhouse.
Right, yes. Well, there you go.
Sure.
And I can give like a group discount. Sure. Maybe it would benefit everyone to be able to afford it.
You give me a card, I pay rent on Wednesday, right?
I'll give you some cards now, and I'll get my stuff and clean this for you real quick.
Yeah,
all right.
The outside, the inside, just the whole door.
Yeah. I'll make it look nice.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. I said, maybe Marcus, I can't lift my arms.
Oh yeah.
I have an artificial foot, and it left me complete nerve damage on my right side.
An artificial foot?
I can't lift my arms.
That's interesting.
I have an artificial foot.
It looks good. How they make an artificial foot?
It's all screws, bolts, plates.
Oh wow, that sounds like it hurts.
Oh, it does. I've had it for 11 years now.
Ooh.
Yeah, it hurt. You can see
I guess so. With all the screws and plates.
Oh yeah. But what it left me with nerve damage, so I can't lift my arms anymore. And I said it's not worth it. But I figured personally, I thought if anything comes in 175, I'm not going with them.
Right.
So that's what I'll pay you plus a tip.
All right. Well, that sounds fantastic.
Cards, and I'll put them in the clubhouse.
Okay. Yes. I'm gonna go get some. Okay. I'll be right back.
3 because I'll put one in each.
No, I'm gonna give you a stack because I just bought a whole bunch of them. Okay, I have yet to use.
Part time at the Heritage's up there.
Oh, okay.
The Heritage is right up here by the wall.
Yes.
So I'll take some in there.
Sure, thank you.
Put some in there.
Okay, sounds good. You see how the laws of attraction work? You see, my original thought was 175, but she said if it was 175, she wouldn't have went with me. You see how sometimes being a pig in life gets you nowhere? Greed. But,
Marcus, how we doing, baby?
Good.
Well, all right, listen. I'm gonna give you $22.
Okay.
And yeah, that's pretty bad. Do you need a cloth for the bottom, or are we okay?
Nah,
For the bottom of the door.
Yeah.
I got paper towels back there.
Oh, paper towels is fine.
I need them.
I shouldn't need
Get you
it
them.
too.
Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
pretty bad. In and out, that's pretty bad. But the door itself,
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I have cleaner. That window cleaner's good in the green bottle.
Oh, okay.
Now, what do you use on windows?
Well, I've used a number of different things, but
Right.
I'm testing out this new product.
Okay.
It's called Sorbo.
Uh-huh.
It's a professional window cleaning soap,
Okay.
and so far it does
See how
wonders.
you like it. When you
This
come
stuff-
back, you see what it looks like.
The inventor of the soap actually saw a video of mine that I posted, and he liked my video, and as a thank you, he gave me the stuff to try, and
Nice.
so far it's 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Apparently, this stuff actually keeps the windows cleaner longer.
Cleaner?
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice.
So
Good.
we'll have
Yeah.
to see
We'll
about
be guinea
that.
pigs. I don't care about that. Hey, as long as they're clean, I don't give a crap.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to give these, I'm going to put 3 in the clubhouse, and then I'm going
Okay.
to take 3 to Heritages.
Yeah.
I'm going to take 3 to Heritages
Sure.
and put one on the board and put one on the side.
Okay, that
I had
sounds
to go back to
good.
work.
When? Right now?
I retired. I retired in 2016 to take. If I cry, forgive me. To take care of my mama.
Oh.
And I lived down in Galloway,
Uh-huh.
and I used to have my windows done every 3 months down there.
Oh,
And,
okay.
I moved here because I had a nervous breakdown when I lost my mom in January because I
I'm
took
sorry
care
to
of her
hear
for
that.
4 years.
Right.
Yeah, I was on life support. I was bad. I was
Ooh.
bad, Mark. I was bad. They thought I was checking out because at that point, that's what I wanted to do. So my sister wanted me to move up here because they live like a half a mile around.
Right.
So I'm going to give her a couple to put in her clubhouse.
Oh, that sounds great.
Yeah, and I'm going to give one to my niece because they work for the government down the street.
Oh, okay.
And yeah.
Yes.
So I'll spread them
Hey,
around.
yeah,
spread 'em around.
that'll be great.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because all the contractors come in for the government. They
Okay.
build submarines,
Contractors. Yes.
submarines and ships and all that.
Oh, my mom
So-
used to work for Lockheed Martin. They used to do the missile heads for the submarines and the ships and all that.
All right.
The
She
warheads.
works down here, so I'm not quite sure. Like past I don't know the name of the street. I don't know the name.
That's okay.
It's all I know is over by motor vehicles. That's all I know.
Okay,
But,
West Deptford, somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere over there. So
Okay.
I'll spread them around.
Sure.
See
How do they look?
See, it looks good. See how
Yeah.
these look,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll go from there.
Yeah, that's how the others will look,
Yeah.
you know.
How'd the outside? The outside was pretty bad.
Yeah, the outside was bad.
It was bad.
It had some cobwebs around
It
it,
was
but
bad.
they look good now. Yeah.
It was
Oh, there's
bad.
a little
Yeah.
bit of water
That's
there.
fine. I
But
didn't
yeah.
know what it was.
Uh-huh. Yeah, but it came out good so
I
far.
think so. Yeah, I got a new door, but I had to redo 2 bathrooms in here, and then my air conditioner broke. And
Oh,
Yeah, I like
that's rough.
yeah,
You have oh, I see a paper towel right here.
yeah, I got paper towels. You want a rag?
No, I just wanted to get that corner real quick.
Yeah, I got paper towels. I got lots
Yeah.
of them. All right, I'm gonna spread these around.
Okay.
I'm gonna spread these around.
Thank you very
And
much.
if I get you enough customers, that you'll give me free.
Yes. Hey, yes, indeed. That could very well happen.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, that's how many
Because
customers I'll try to get.
you know, you're helping me out.
Yep.
I'm helping you
Yep.
out.
So
you
that's
know?
what we're gonna do. I'm gonna
All
spread
right.
them all around.
Yeah,
and,
spread the
we're
word.
Good. The trash bag.
Shoot,
Trash bag.
you spread it enough love. It may, and they may spread. You'll never have to get your windows washed again.
Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want.
I know
I
that's
used to get
right.
them done every 3 months.
Yeah.
Do you do anything else besides windows?
I do soft washing, like power washing. It's just like power washing, but it's soft washing. It brightens up your
Anything inside or no? Just outside.
yeah,
Just outside.
just for now,
Do you know
yeah.
anybody that does cleaning inside?
Actually, yes, I do. I have a company that I work along with because they do a lot of cleaning, a lot of restaurants, janitorial stuff.
All right.
But I don't do janitorial,
All right. Maybe
and
get
they
my
don't do
phone number.
windows. So they give me all the windows. Actually, I'm going to Rite Aid in Mantua to do the windows because it's their account. They clean the store, but they don't do windows. So they want to give me the windows.
I'll
So
give-
I could
I'll
refer
give the
you.
number to corporate or
Yeah.
Heritages.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Heritages. Yes.
I'll give.
I think they used to have their windows done, but I don't think they're, most like the Heritages in Glassboro. I don't think anyone's doing them.
Well,
I think they do it themselves.
Your
but
card because we have a meeting
hey,
Tuesday.
yeah,
we have a big meeting Tuesday, so I'm going to give corporate your number.
That sounds good. I'm insured, so let them know that I'm sure I've been in business a long time.
I want my windows done free.
Yes, you got it.
That's what I'm aiming for.
That's right. You got it. You got it. That's all. All right. So just let me know when you're ready. You said Wednesday.
You tell me when.
Wednesday. You said is good for you.
Well, let's see. I get my check on Wednesday. How about, do you do weekends?
Sure.
Saturday, maybe?
Saturday, yes. It has to be early, though.
I don't care. Don't bother me. It don't bother me whatsoever.
All right.
I get up at 11 o'clock at night. So
we'll shoot for Saturday, weather pending. Okay. And I'll be in touch prior to that, like maybe Thursday or Friday, and just to coordinate. Confirm.
Now, listen, I'm really bad with the phone. I am really, because the phone's in, my niece is working here. Another one, they're twins. One goes to the office and the other one's working here.
Okay.
Oh, anyway, I said I don't give a crap. So I'm bad with the phone because the phone's in her office and my bedroom's down there.
Okay.
So
sure.
I don't care. If you can't come, leave a message. And if you're not here by Saturday, I know something happened.
No.
So Saturday, Sunday.
I'll leave a message. And you can reach out if we're missing each other or something. With the phone.
Everybody knows I'm bad with it. Listen,
at least I'm forewarned.
This is my cell phone. That's my cell phone. All right. I use it. I take it. Once I get in the car.
That's what my mom had. She's old school. She's horrible with phones too.
Nothing about computers.
But I just upgraded her phone because I got tired of looking at it.
I don't want.
I said you need a touch screen, and
they want
she
me
hates
to.
it.
And you know what I told them? You don't want to hear what I told them.
I know.
I said
I can imagine.
They want me to learn the computer. I said, listen to me right now. The only ones that could teach me a computer would be the kindergarten class because nobody else would have patience with me.
That's right.
I throw them through the door.
They know it like the back of their hand now.
Okay.
New generation.
Oh, that look! I think they look good.
Yeah.
I really think they look good.
Well, wait till we get to the rest of the house. It'll all look brighter in there.
And you'll do the ledges?
Yes. I'll scrub the ledges down.
All right.
And I'll hose it down.
And then you'll give the cleaning ladies my phone number?
Oh, yes. I'll be in touch with them later today.
Okay.
And I'll have them call you to discuss what it is that you want to do. Yes, the elbow shakes.
I'm a hugger.
Yes.
I hug straight. I don't care. People I meet, I hug them. It's like,
right.
Thank you for doing this. I got for my niece.
Big difference.
What a difference.
Yes.
Why?
Well, I will be in touch before the weekend's out, and we'll schedule a time for Saturday.
I'm home.
Right? You said Saturday's good?
Here.
Okay.
I don't leave.
All right.
I don't leave.
Okay. That sounds good to me.
I'm here.
All right. Thank you. All right. Take care. That's $10 a window. Actually, $11 a window. Marvelous. Simply marvelous. I could have not taken that lady's money, but she seemed happy to give it to me. Who am I to argue with that? Bam!